Everybody, welcome back to Dirty Off-Road. My name is Vinny, and today we're going to drain water out of your diesel filter. You're supposed to do this every month. I don't think Amanda has really ever done this, so pretty easy. Come on, let's take a look. All right, we're on the driver's side, directly behind the driver's seat. You're going to see this little cover here. You can do this with the cover on, but I'm going to take it off. It's going to be 3 10mm bolts. Let's pop them out. Right here's the drain. There's a petcock right here. So what we're going to do is, technically we just need to empty this out. So here I have a cup, and I'll put a couple turns in it. Oh, there it comes. As you can see here, now we just got little drops. We're going to shut this petcock. We're going to try to shut this petcock. Clearly this job is for people with dexterity in their fingers. Okay. Boys, you know how we do. We do a little shake. Make sure it's all off. And here we are. So let's take a look at this. Looks mostly like fuel. I honestly don't know how. I don't know how to tell the difference. We just know that to empty that out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put that cover back on. After we put that cover back on, we're going to prime the Jeep 3 times. And how we're going to do that is I'll show you. I'll show you next step. All right, now we're going to prime the vehicle 3 times. How we're going to do that, we're not going to put our foot on the brake. We're just going to hit this. It's going to cycle. And we'll do it again. There it goes. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. And if you look here, you're going to see all the typical stuff we see with Amanda's Jeep. Mostly tire issues. But the water fuel situation is now completed. That's going to be it from Lewis and Vinny.
Daily videos, you know it.
Every day.
Almost every day. Almost every day.
Well, we're trying damn hard.
Very hard.
He puts in a lot of work holding the stick.
I do.
He likes to hold the stick. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.